Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Numberdar TV. I am your host Nadia Khan. With Eid ul-Adha around the corner, the government of Punjab has some heartfelt messages for all of us. Let's dive into these words of wisdom and love. First up, Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif shares, Eid ul-Adha is a day of sacrifice and devotion. Let us remember the true philosophy of sacrifice, which is to seek Allah's pleasure. Let us include the needy, orphans, and widows in our Eid celebrations. Next, we have Nabil Javed, Senior Member Board of Revenue, reminding us, Eid ul-Adha teaches us the lesson of sacrifice. Let us strive to achieve Allah's pleasure through our actions. Let us make this Eid a day of joy for all. Provincial Minister for Agriculture and Livestock, Saeed Hussain Kermani, adds, Eid ul-Adha is a day to remember the sacrifices of our ancestors. Let us honor their memory by helping those in need. Then, Malik Sahib Ahmed Bharat, Provincial Minister for Construction and Communications, shares his thoughts. Eid ul-Adha is a day of joy and sacrifice. Let us spread love and kindness wherever we go. Khawaja Imran Nazir, Provincial Minister for Primary and Secondary Healthcare, emphasizes the importance of health. Eid ul-Adha is a day to remember the importance of health and hygiene. Let us prioritize our health and the health of those around us. And finally, Khawaja Salman Rafiq, Provincial Minister for Health and Emergency Services, reminds us of compassion. Eid ul-Adha is a day of sacrifice and compassion. Let us show kindness and empathy to all. Numberdar TV wishes all of you a happy Eid ul-Adha. May this special day bring joy, love, and sacrifice to all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.